Okay, so let's talk about today's activity. You will be doing 4 triangle constructions on half sheets of paper. Make sure you put your name on each half sheet of paper. Then for each of these constructions, you will first do the constructions. Make sure to label the dimensions, angles, and sides that you used in the construction. Please stop talking while I'm talking. Next, you will go around and find all the people that have constructed triangles that is congruent to yours. You will then write the reason they are congruent, such as side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, or hypotenuse leg, on your paper, and then staple all of your group's triangles together and hand them to me. Make sure your name is on the paper and the reason, or you will not get any credit. Okay, so let's do a little bit of an example together. So you should have 4 half sheets of paper because you're going to make 4 triangles, right? Okay, so the first thing I do, I'm going to do number 1. So I have my half sheet of paper in front of me, and what's the first thing I should do on this half sheet of paper? Write your name. Miss Murphy. Okay? Really, guys? I wrote it on the board. Okay. All right. Shh. The next thing it says is construct an angle with triangle with a 35-degree angle and a 50-degree angle, and then one side is 5 centimeters. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my protractor and I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay. Then at the end point of that straight line, I'm going to put the end point right on it, that middle piece, and I'm going to make a mark at 35 degrees. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes from the end point of my segment through that little mark that I made. Nice big line. Okay? And I'm going to label this 35 degrees. Okay? Now, I'm going to turn mine. You can put your 50-degree angle wherever you want, but I'm going to turn mine somewhere around here. And I'm going to be like, okay, I want to measure out 5 centimeters. So right here, that's 5 centimeters. Now, from this point, that exact point right there, I'm going to make an angle of 50 degrees. So then I'm going to connect and that's going to be 50 degrees. Okay, so I know this is 5 centimeters. And that's 50 degrees. Now, I'm going to find that last angle right there. Yours might be different than mine. I get like, the angles should all be the same though, right? Because if your angle should be about 95 degrees. Okay, but your side lengths might be different. My side length for here is 3.9 centimeters. My side length for here is 3 centimeters. Okay, so now that I've found all of these, I'm going to find everybody in this room who has a congruent triangle. So I'm going to have to get up, walk around, and do this. And then I'm going to do it with my other 2. I recommend right now, before you guys walk around, you construct your next 3 triangles. So get out your next piece of paper, write your name on it, do number 2, then do number 3, then do number 4. And once you do that, go around and find everybody's. I've got a stapler right here. You're going to staple the ones that are congruent together and give them to me. This is how you're going to earn credit. Okay? All right, any questions about this? Yes? How did I make the triangle? I mean, I drew a line. Okay, so once I did 35 degrees right here, I measured out 5 centimeters and I put a mark right here. And then I turned my protractor like upside down. And then from that point, I found that 35 degrees. Okay? All right. You have the rest of the hour to work on this. Oops, wait. Before you move on, let's make sure you understand tonight's homework. Okay, so we've done these before. Shh, you need to stop talking. You need to stop talking. Okay. You're going to pick side, 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 angle, or angle, angle, side. Congruency for any of these on the front. For example, number 1, we know these two sides match. So now we have side, side, angle. That's not congruent. So you write not congruent for that. Okay. Side, side, angle is not a thing. All right, turn it over. We're going to state what additional information we need in order to make these triangles congruent. This one is angle, side, angle. Well, I know this side is congruent, so I need the angle right here. I need to make these two angles congruent. So that is angle DUT is congruent to angle SUT. If you do not write it out like this, you will not get full credit. Any questions about tonight's homework? Okay, do not do this right now. This is your homework. You need to finish these constructions first. You need to make 4 constructions, and then you need to find everybody in the room whose matches yours. Okay? And then you need to state why they're matching, like they all have the same side, 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 side. Side, angle, 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 side, or hypotenuse leg.